Today we are going to talk about elderberry. Sambucus nigra is the scientific name for elderberry, and elderberry has a rich history. So today we are going to unpack all of the wonderful properties of elderberries and its amazing benefits for healthy hair, skin, nails, gut health, and overall well-being. This is a powerhouse that everyone needs in their house, and by the end of this video you will know exactly where to get yours from, what it does, and how to use it. So if you want to know, make sure you get your pen and paper out and let's get into it. Now, elderberry has ancient origins going all the way back to ancient Kemet. Ancient Kemet is now known as Egypt, but way back in the day they used it for so many amazing things. So today we're going to unpack a couple of them. Ancient Kemet, elderberries were revered for their amazing healing properties. They used the berries and flowers in so many different ways. It had the ability to treat burns, heal the complexion, and improve overall skin health. So when we're talking about healthy hair, skin, and nails, and a healthy hair growth cycle, elderberry is going to be the thing that you need to implement into your diet to make sure you're getting maximum health. But hair is not the only thing, so let's get into it. Back in ancient Kemet, baby, they were making extracts and tinctures, and the extracts and tinctures they would use with elderberries could be used for so many different things. Like I said, they will put it on the skin for wound healing, for burns, for any type of over inflammation of the skin. It was amazing. It's still around, it still is. So it goes back to the Middle Ages and Roman history and so many other things. So if you want to know about that, make sure you check out my blog. But let's hop into some of these benefits. Now, for its modern day applications, elderberry has been studied scientifically for years. Number one is immune system health. Now, elderberries have been scientifically proven to boost the immune system. Make sure you get a pen and paper out and write down everything that pops up on the screen, because we are going to unpack some of the key constituents that go into making elderberry so freaking amazing. Now, these key constituents within elderberry, they enhance the immune response of your body by protecting your cells from damage and supporting healthy immune function. Number two, it fights influenza. Anthocyanins and the rest of these key constituents all have antiviral properties that reduce the symptoms and the severity of any cold. So elderberries is something amazing if you have any type of cold, any type of flu symptoms, or if you even feel anything coming up. I'm telling you, elderberries will knock it out before it even approaches the door. Number three, rich in nutrients. So these key constituents right here are crucial for your immune function and your skin health. While the fiber is going to help you with your digestion, because remember, your nails, your hair, and your skin are all created through your gut microbiome. So if your digestion is off, then you're not going to have healthy hair, skin, or nails. So adding something like elderberries is amazing at resetting your body's natural cycle. Number four is going to be its anti-inflammatory properties. Now, we've talked about anthocyanins a lot, especially in the blue tea video. The anthocyanins are a powerhouse, and elderberries is packed full of them. Now, there are so many key constituents. Now, the flavonoids and polyphenols and polyphenols within elderberries can really aid the body at reducing cholesterol levels. This also improves your heart functions by increasing its level of functionality. By enhancing the heart's functions in a healthy manner, you end up helping the body to reduce oxidative stress within the body, and oxidative stress leads to so many disorders: skin, hair, and nails. Now, these key constituents within elderberry are amazing because it stops the virus from replicating itself, because normally what happens when your body has a virus, it keeps making copies of itself throughout the body. Well, elderberry stops it at the door, so it can no longer make copies of itself. So eventually the body ends up starving the virus and you're good. Love the antiviral antiviral proteins that inhibit viral replication. It is freaking amazing and one of my favorite properties of elderberries. Skin health. Elderberries have been studied throughout history to be able to improve skin health. These key constituents within elderberries protect skin cells from oxidative stress while also promoting amazing collagen production. And in this video, I'll let you guys know how important collagen production is in the body for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And elderberry will make sure that your body is producing enough collagen. It's going to make sure your body's doing everything that it's supposed to do and getting rid of the things that limit the body from doing its job. Number 8 is going to be its digestive health. Because elderberry is so rich in fiber, it aids in digestion by promoting regular bowel movement. So if you constipated, it'll help you be unconstipated. And all jokes aside, when you're constipated and when your body is not breaking down your food properly, then you're not able to get the benefits of the food that you're eating, and as a result, you'll notice a decrease in your hair growth, and you'll notice your skin looking bad and maybe your nails looking brittle. This is all a reaction to your body not being able to break down the food that you're processing, and elderberries is amazing at your digestive health. Elderberries is amazing and pivotal. Everybody should have it in their house when we are talking about maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. If you want to know what you need to be taking to make sure you have a healthy gut microbiome, elderberry is number 1. Number 9 is going to be pain relief. These key constituents here aid the body in reducing inflammation, because normally it is the inflammation within the body, within the joints and different places that the body has inflammation that causes the pain. Even your scalp, if you have inflammation in the scalp, that's what's causing like the pain and sensitivity to touch. It's the inflammation. So when we reverse the inflammation, the pain goes away. So that is why number 9 is, why did I put up 4 fingers for number 9? That's why number 9 is really important when we are talking about pain relief. Number 10, reducing the time frame of colds. Because of the level of these constituents that are available within elderberries, it is going to widely reduce the time frame in which the body is fighting off colds and infection. Immune boosting compounds are going to shorten the time frame of your colds and also strengthening the body's immune response to anything that could be going on negatively. Elderberries have been known throughout history to stop colds and illnesses in their tracks. Keep doing your research. I'm just giving you a couple little places. Number 11 is its help with respiratory functions. Now, all of the key constituents with these key constituents within elderberries aid the body at treating respiratory infections is by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress within the body. Number 12 is going to be antioxidant rich. These key constituents protect the body by protecting the cells from damage caused by free radicals. And free radicals are basically unchecked molecules that just walking and running through your body. They don't pay rent. They haven't signed no lease. They like homeless molecules, walk around starting drama with people. They like the people on Shade Room. Studies have shown that elderberries have been found to reduce stress levels within the body through these key constituents. By reducing certain forms of inflammation and oxidative stress within the body, what ends up happening is you end up reducing stress within yourself, because a lot of times some of the stress and irritability and things of that nature are not necessarily from personal things. Sometimes it could be a response to something that your body's dealing with on the inside. This is why a lot of times when you are stressed, one of the first things that happens is your hair falls out, because you end up dealing with telogen effluvium. If you want to know more about telogen effluvium, make sure you check this playlist right here and the one listed in the description box so you can learn more about it, because I have a couple of videos on it. Number 14 is it's supporting weight loss because of its ability to help you control your appetite and your metabolism. Number 15, it improves vision because these key constituents within elderberry support eye health by maintaining the health of your eye cells and reducing oxidative stress to those cells. So in return, you will have really good vision, because a lot of times we don't even realize it. With things and problems with your vision is oxidative stress to your eyes. If you want to know more about that, you should find a channel about vision, because that's not what I talk about here, and I don't really want to go there. Number 16 is improving your mental health. Studies have shown that elderberries have helped to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety by protecting the brain, by protecting brain cells from oxidative damage, and by supporting neurotransmitter function. It's really important. If you want to know more about that, check my blog. Number 17 is going to be cancer fighting properties. These key constituents within elderberries have been found in certain studies to inhibit cancer cell growth and apoptosis. I say it wrong all the time, which basically just means cell death. It inhibits cancer cell growth, and it promotes programmed cell death within the body, within cancer cells in the body. So it basically makes the cancer cells kill themselves, and it keeps them from reproducing. Number 18 is going to be it helping with energy levels. These key constituents provide sustainable energy to the body by supporting your metabolism and its overall process. Number 19 is going to be the fact that it hydrates your skin. Yes, it does. These key constituents help to keep the skin moisturized, helps to keep the skin hydrated and supple by providing a wide range of collagen, wide range of moisture retention and collagen production. Number 20 is going to be hair growth, which should have been number 1. These key constituents within elderberry and minerals like zinc nourish the scalp and provide a wide range of and promotes a healthy blood flow to the scalp. This will in return provide so many essential nutrients to the scalp, aiding your body in the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle, which is the phase in which your hair follicle is producing new cells. If you want to know more about the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle, check here. But if you are a person who is suffering from anagen effluvium, like I taught you in this video, linked in the description box here, elderberry is going to be amazing for getting you out of anagen effluvium. Anagen effluvium, and the word effluvium means hair fall. So anagen is the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle. So anagen effluvium is hair fall in the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle. And elderberry is amazing for reversing that. Number 21. Remember, by providing a healthy blood circulation to the scalp, you are 1,100% making sure that your hair is growing faster. Number 21, it reduces acne. These key constituents have amazing antibacterial properties. It helps in reducing acne by reducing the inflammation caused by an overgrowth of bacteria. We talk about the different forms of bacteria that live on the scalp and the skin all over the human body in this video, linked in the description box below. So check it out to learn more about the bacteria that overgrows. But now that you know about the bacteria that overgrows, elderberry is how you get rid of it. 22 is that glow, that skin glow. So if your skin has been looking a little dull, elderberry and its key constituents are amazing for that. It enhances your skin's glow by massively increasing the production of collagen within the skin. Of course, it's also protecting the body from oxidative stress, which is what causes dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, all that stuff. And last but certainly not least, number 23 is going to be its ability to strengthen your hair, because you can grow hair until you blue in the face. It can be really shiny, but if it's not strong, it's not gonna be on your head that long. Now, these key constituents within elderberries strengthen the hair's follicle. This will in return reduce the forms of breakage that you have, fortifying and increasing your elasticity, making your hair shaft stronger and less prone to breakage, which will in return increase your length retention, because at the end of the day, everybody can grow hair, but not everyone can retain length. And elderberries is one of those things that strengthens the hair follicle and the hair shaft enough to not only grow hair cells, but grow healthy hair cells that lead to healthy hair strands that stay on your head. within this extract we have elderberry and organic roses. Now I will have a video coming really soon telling you a little bit more, and in this blog post here, within the blog post I let you know all of the key constituents of roses and how roses added to elderberry actually increases all of the properties that I just told you about tenfold. So if you are dealing with any of the things that we talked about in this video, and you think that, and you've been looking for something to make your hair, to increase the elasticity of your hair, to make your nails stronger and your skin clearer, to help your eyelashes grow a little bit, and just for overall health, then elderberry is going to be that thing. And if you are a person that gets sick all the time, like you already know it's a certain time of year you're gonna be sick, elderberries is so easy to make it a part of your everyday diet. You can literally have a glass of water and with ice, and you can put a couple of drops of the elderberry rose tincture of the elderberry rose. You can put it in your water, or you could take a couple of drops under your tongue, or you can make syrups or so many other things with this elderberry rose syrup. So if you want to know more about different recipes, make sure you check here on my blog, because I have so many for you. Subscribe to my website, because if you're subscribed to my website, I'm sending these over to you automatically. But if you want to know whether or not you should even subscribe, head over to the blog, see what it is over there, and I'm writing blog posts like this all the time, whether I have a video to match with it or not. So if you want to know a little bit more, then go over to my blog, okay, and get you some elderberry rose. All right, I love you guys. Bye.